How to transfer WhatsApp chats fast from old phone to a new phone. So if you want to transfer your WhatsApp chats from your old phone to a new phone, then first you need to take your old phone, open up your WhatsApp. After opening your WhatsApp, go with your settings, which is on the bottom right. Once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down, go with chat, and go with chat backup. Make sure that you turn on your backup. If your backup has not been completed, then just wait for a few minutes till your backup is completed. And then you can go back. Once done with your backup, you need to tap on export chat and then select the chat that you would like to export. For example, I'll select the chat and then you can attach media, or without media, I'll go with attach media, and it will start the exporting chat. Once the chat has been exported, now you just need simply go with your share it or share it with your share it or any other options. But if you want to transfer your WhatsApp chats, all of your chats, not a single chat, then what you need to do is just scroll down, and here you will have an option of move chats to Android or transfer chats to iPhone. If your new device is also an iPhone, then you can go with transfer chats to iPhone. Or if you have a new Android device, then you can select move chats to Android. Now you need to go with start, which is on the bottom. And if you want to transfer to a different number, you can go with different number, which is on the bottom. Or if you have the same number, you need to go with start. Now it will get the chats ready. And once the chat has been ready, now you can continue setting up your Android phone. When you're done, you need to open up your WhatsApp to restore your chat history and media. Your Android device will let you know when you can disconnect the cable. Make sure that you've attached the USB cable from your Android to your iPhone. Or if you don't have the cable, you can also go with the scanner or the QR code. If you're using your iPhone, then you can go with transfer chats to iPhone and then tap on start. And you need to download your WhatsApp on your new phone, register with the same phone number, use the phone to scan the QR code shown on your new phone, and it will transfer all of your chats. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.